Hello everyone, this is Bhanu Pundir, the trek expert for the Searching Souls. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how the toilets are managed on a Himalayan trek. This is the one thing which is asked frequently, especially by the beginner trekkers. When you are on a Himalayan trek, getting a permanent washroom is not possible as most of the treks comes under reserved forest zones where permanent construction is absolutely not allowed. So toilet tents are pitched and temporary dry toilets are created to address your nature's call. A portable toilet tent is a small temporary structure to offer you privacy. It's a must-have for all outdoor adventures. Toilet tents are generally easy to set up that can be assembled in just few minutes. These tents made from waterproof, durable fabric that offer both protection from the elements and enough privacy for you to use them comfortably. The tent is a hut-shaped structure with front zip closure and have enough space in it for all your comfort while using it. Now let me explain that how it can be used. A 2 to 3 feet hole is dug and is improvised in an Indian toilet seat shape. At the time of cleaning, when you are done, the use of water cleansing is not allowed as there is no soaking mechanism like in the conventional toilets which will make things quite filthy. So tissue paper is used for wiping and cleaning and is then disposed in the hole itself. We don't recommend the use of wet tissues as those are not biodegradable. The use of paper also for cleaning is not allowed as it is also not biodegradable and can be a cause of pollution around, so keeping tissue roll for yourself for your safe and memorable Himalayan trek will be all important. So a simple, eco-friendly and a private solution for you to handle waste while maintaining a good hygiene is very well looked after on all our Himalayan treks. As a happy trekker at the end of the day with respecting the wilderness too is all what we aim for as always.